everybody, Christina here and Meadow. You can say hi.
Hi.
First, I'm going to show you how I make the foam adhesive that I've been using. I did this on a live a while ago, but I have not done it in an actual video. So I wanted to put it on here for you. So I'm going to go ahead and make this. This is just some adhesive foam sheets. These are the ones that have the adhesive on one side and the foam on the other that I grabbed from Michael's. So it's actually a lot cheaper. I did the math a while ago, but it's tons cheaper to do it this way. And then I'm going to be using my Creative Station Lite from Xyron because this thing is awesome. I currently have a 5-inch refill in here. And I'm going to go ahead and put it with the adhesive side up because I want to make this with the adhesive on this side. Whoops, I forgot. I got to cut it down because this is 5-inch and this is actually 6-inch. So let's cut this baby down. But it's nice because I can run this through the Big Shot or whatever machine you guys have. I have a crossover. So I'm going to run this through. And I'm just going to run this one through too since I'm right here. And I'm going to need it for the next card. So just get that to come out and cut it off. And then I'm going to go ahead and just cut these apart. I don't usually brayer these or anything like that until I'm getting ready to use one. So, and you just take this off. And if you are worried about the sticky stuff being on here or worried about it coming off, you can always just go around and cut this part off. And then I just keep it in my drawer. But I have not spent any money in how long, Meadow? On foam dots, at least 6 months since Daddy bought these for me. Yep, so I have not used any regular foam dots in quite a while. I have some, but I only use them if I don't have these handy or if I'm in the middle of making a video and I don't have any of these made. So these are fantastic. They are a money saver. And you can make them any size, so you're not using 1,000 of those little tiny dots or, you know, just the squares, whatever shape you have. And the nice thing is you can run it through your die cut machine and have it match your die cut. So like right now, my next video that I'm going to do is I'm getting ready to use this little guy. So if I wanted to pop him up, I could simply put him on here. And he doesn't have a die cut, but I could just simply cut around. I mean, these little parts, I would probably have to use my hobby knife or something like that, but I could just stick him on there. Meadow, let me see your unicorn. Or I could even, you know, take Meadow's unicorn that she colored. Isn't that pretty? She did such a good job. So I could put that on there and I could cut around the unicorn if I wanted for the whole thing to have a foam on it. So this is really super handy. They're fantastic. I hope you will try it and hope you enjoyed the video. I will have the math for you down below, and I will also have links to Michael's Michael's and Amazon for the foam for you, okay? Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.